Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about where the RC cars went and when they are coming back. You may know that the last time we made an RC video was Florida Carpet Championships in 2022, and ever since we haven't been uploading RC videos, been a lot of boating and 3D printing and stuff like that. So I'm hoping to try and get some more RC footage out, but right now this is just a quick update video, just so you guys aren't too worried about RC cars. We did not quit RC cars, they're still alive. So we will see you out in the garage. And just like that, 100% battery in our two-wheel drive V6.4. And yes, the Techno takeover, she's still here. She's still burning, she's still alive. So overall, this is our messy counter. Even though we just bought these cabinets, it's still messy, but there's the car. So let's start with the two-wheel drive. Alright, well, here she is, the V6.4, the infamous. I don't even know if you guys have ever seen this car before, actually. Let me know. Alrighty, well, that is the update on the RC cars. I'm hoping we'll end up racing sooner than later. But, yeah, I think that's it for this video. Just a quick update, just so you guys aren't worried about our little babies here. So, alrighty, well, I'll see you in the next one.